Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making this Fruity Pebbles bread and it's so easy to make. It's very moist and delicious and it's fun also because you could use any cereal you have on hand. Now let's get started.
I promise to ease your mind. I promise to ease your mind. I promise to
To start this Fruity Pebbles bread, I'm adding 3 eggs to my bowl along with 1/2 cup of oil. This could be substituted for applesauce, and for the last of the wet ingredients, I'm adding 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, which may also be substituted for sour cream. That's what makes this recipe so nice. It turns out perfect every time, whichever ingredients you choose to use. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla is being added, and I'm gonna mix this all together. For those of you who are new to my channel, I post new recipes every other day, so be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you won't miss out on them. Now after this is all fully incorporated and nice and smooth, I'm then going to be finishing by adding my dry ingredients, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, and this bread is not overly sweet so don't worry, and it makes a huge loaf, enough for 8 to 10 people. Add the flour and the baking powder and the salt. This full recipe is listed down below in the description box. For the last part, fold in the cereal. This is 2 cups of Fruity Pebbles. This taste is so delightful. It's very unusual to have that fruity vanilla taste, which always catches everybody by surprise. Once it's all folded in, add this to a greased and floured loaf pan and bake this in a preheated oven of 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes to 1 hour. Stick a knife down the middle, and when it comes out clean, your loaf is ready. Share a slice of this Fruity Pebbles loaf with everybody that you know, and it's guaranteed to put a smile on their face. It's such a moist and tender bread. If you all enjoyed this recipe, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time for another quick and easy recipe. Thanks so much for watching.